Hi mga ben! Nandito tayo sa Green Hills in celebration of the 10th year death anniversary of my grandfather, si Alfredo Hakutin Oxenia. And in celebration together with my family, that's my sister, my mom, together with the dogs, Ariaya and my lola, and my partner, it's not being recorded in the video. And ito talaga is pinaspecially made namin yung puntod namin ni Lolo na talagang maraming mga rosas. And we're here, the next stopover, it's at Panagatan, so Keita Dinopol. And ito lagi namin pinupuntahan nung buhay pa yung lolo ko. After Mass, we usually eat here in Panagatan. And masarap talaga yung mga pagkain nila from their seafoods. And a place where you can also relax away from the city. And since by the beach siya, maganda yung view din niya. So I highly recommend to come here. We're here at Panagatan to celebrate my grandfather's 10th death anniversary. I'm with Flax. So, naguna na mi karon. We're here first because we need to order because it might take time sa ilang pag.
Sa man Si gusto mag-fresh nga limango nara dire. So, ipanghatag ra ni.
Uy, siguro na yung maghatag.
Pero di pa man election, di pa hatag.
So, we're off to find seats. Kaya dali may mag-dinner tonight. So, maning gwapa kay Panagatan. So, here. Diba? Gwapo dari magkaon kasi it's nearby the beach side and hangin po dari. So, this is the first thing that we ordered. We ordered 2 tapiokas. Same with my partner. He also ordered tapioca. While waiting for our dinner. Oh. And with our lovely view. Look at that. Bang ganda. So in celebration of the 10th death anniversary of my grandfather, this used to be our go-to place. So every Sunday after church, we go here, and this is his favorite restaurant. The name of the restaurant is Panagatan. It's in Opol, and it's beside the beach. So ilang years na din siya. So talagang babalik-balik kami dito. Then ito talaga sinasabi ni Lolo, talagang magsisimba tayo para after that we'll go to Panagatan to have our lunch. So this is a lot of memories na din dito. So that's why we keep coming back here. Diba? Ang ganda. Ano masasabi mo?
What? About the
calamities of here?
Okay naman. Okay naman yung place. At saka masarap yung ano nila. Anong tawag dito? Tapioca.
Mango tapioca.
Medyo ano lang, masarap talaga.
Medyo lang.
Masarap talaga. Wala medyo.
I-rate mo siya from 1 to 10.
From 1 to 10, perfect 10.
Oh, perfect 10.
Charot.
Wala siya niuban, with the dogs.
Kasi yuban kay Kuan. Ay, ano daw? Hindi, magkaroon siya volleyball. Magsimpitan.
Hello guys! We're here just beside Panagatan. So, walkway ni siya. Kasi tawag nilang. Basta magbaklay-baklay ka lang pa yung dere. This is just beside the beach. Tadi makita ni mong Panagatan na doon sa likod. Hindi ba gwapo kayo siya? Hangin dere. Di dapat sila yung massage na gina-offer kung manak ka dere. Tsada siya dere. Nindot dere.
Nindot is Cebu.
Sa Cebu, oy.
Nindot, ang tsada kagayan.
Tsada kagayan. Mani siya, dari natin siya opol. Di ba gwapo kayo to? Yung design kimurag sa Singapore. Pakita. Yan ito ang light sa Singapore. Nindot siya, nindot. Haribangin kayo. Pakita. Pakita ang view. Diba nindot? Nindot ang lugar. It's just beside Panagahan. Here. So, pwede ka nasa yung massage.
Oh, body.
Go! Go lang!